Get acquainted with the 2025 Chevrolet Colorado. The Colorado packs fuel efficiency, creature comforts, and can-do capabilities into a midsize pickup that's fun and easy to drive, whether you're in the city or on the work site. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, intelligent auto on-off high beams, pre-collision system, navigation system, keyless entry, satellite radio, bed liner, heated mirrors, lane keeping assist, steering wheel audio controls. You'll look good and feel comfortable in the Colorado. Come in for a test drive today.